Hey guys, welcome back to Siliclab channel. Today I'm going to introduce our Octagon Nectar Collector. Let's start. This kit, including one silicone body and one 10mm titanium nail, packing in a transparent gift box. Now see how we use it. First, split the silicone body in 2 pieces, then put some water in transparent pot. Please note that water should not over 1/3 of the transparent candy, or it may leak out. After finished adding water, merge the 2 parts together. And insert the nail. This small container can store oil and wax concentrate. Pour the e-liquid into the container. Let us burn the nail red. And now we can light the e-liquid to smoke. Thank you for watching.